This is a smartphone screen under the microscope. Just a bunch of tiny red, green, and blue lights. But one question you might be thinking is, how can I see white on the screen if there's no actual white light? That's the mystery we're solving today. To figure this out, I set up a microscope pointing at my phone screen while recording the screen at the same time. Let's start simple. I'll put a pure red background on the phone, and boom! Under the microscope, only the red pixels light up. The blue and green are off. Makes sense, right? That's how we get red. Now let's try green. Same deal. Just green pixels. Blue, just blue pixels. But here's where it gets interesting. What if we want yellow, a color that doesn't have its own dedicated light? When I set the screen to yellow, suddenly the red and green pixels light up together, and our brain just interprets that combo as yellow. For purple, it's red plus blue. For orange, red pixels are blasting full brightness, while the green ones are only halfway on. It's basically pixel teamwork. I also put some text on the screen in different colors, so you can clearly see how the subpixels create contrast. So then, back to our original question. How do you make white light with no white pixels? The answer is simple, but kind of mind-blowing. You just blast all the colors at once. Red, green, and blue lights equals white. So next time you're watching Netflix or scrolling TikTok, just know your brain is constantly being tricked by three little colors working together like tiny superheroes. And that's the science hiding in plain sight inside every phone screen.